I present to you my two cell models. As you can see, I made cakes. I don't know if you can see the different pieces of it, so I'm just gonna bring you in a bit closer there. That should be a bit easier. So I used different gummies and frosting and assortment of everything. Um, the ribosomes, I made Twizzlers out of ribosomes. I used one of those coconut almond ball things for the nucleus. The cell membrane was frosting, but the cell wall were non-chopped up Twizzlers. The cytoplasm was, of course, frosting. The chloroplast, the gummy bears. Over here, it's pretty much the same thing, except you don't have a cell wall or chloroplasts, and the vacuole there are a couple of them, and they're smaller. That's pretty much it.